My name is Kumar Swami. Today we will see what is our inventory management system and how this project is delivered and what are the operations this project can do, and it is a role based project, and also this inventory management system delivers secure role based control with real time stock tracking, movement logs, and low stock alerts. Each product can generate a barcode, QR codes, and also we can export CSV reports, and also it is made with .NET Web API with backend. Coming to front end, here we used React Redux, and also it has a role based access by using JWT for authentication. For backend we use SQL Server for scalability, reliability, and streamlined operations. And also this project is a fully responsive UI. We can use it in mobile as well. I will show you demo step by step. When it comes to when a user wants to join in our website, he must register before logging in. This is the login page, and if someone want to join, he or she must provide the details. First name, it will be G1. This username must be unique and it cannot be changed afterwards. And it is also having error messages, like these error messages will attend user to find out his mistakes. Create account. Here we see this message. Whenever someone want to register the new account, this approval request is sent to admin. Admin has to accept that, then only he can log in. Let's see. See here, this is admin interface. Here we will see notifications. See here, one pending request from Charan. If I again refresh it, I'll show you two pending requests. This is just made now, this is a previous pending request, and also it is low stock alert. This is admin panel. Here we can see the total number of products, revenue, low stock. This is usual, and here we have a feature to export the the entire data present in our database. First thing will be logs. Logs are nothing but transactions. Whatever the transaction done in our environment, it will be saved in logs, and we can export it with one click. And also inventory. Inventory is a detailed list of products that present in our inventory data, and that even it is also having this login functionality. Export, it will generate automatic CSV file with the details of our products. And also coming to products section, here we can see this is QR, this is logs, this is edit, this is delete. Here this is role based access, so admin can only delete, no other employee role cannot use this feature. Update is used for admin and manager. Here we can add a product, and also here we have a feature to generate barcode. This barcode is directly converted from the CSV file. SKU is stock keeping unit, and also here barcode along with QR code. It depends. We can also download this thing from here, and also we can update. Here it is showing wireless mouse. Now I'll make an update in it. Wireless mouse HP. When I click it, it got updated. And also your add products. Here it is. You can see. Now I'll add one product and I'll show you whether it is added or not. Wireless, wireless keyboard. Even it comes under electronics. It is price. We cannot add more than one alphabet. Quantity is 20. Here we will use price as 9.99. Some random description. SKU. This SKU must be unique. So I'll give some random. Create. Here we can see the product is added successfully and we can use all the features. So then after I'll show you how to delete it as you delete it. And also here this is called logs, like whatever the transaction happened only for this products will be sorted here. See here we can see only the transaction with respect to that product itself. And also we can edit. I show you this previously. Now it comes to when it comes to movement. Movement is nothing but whether it is a transaction done in our inventory system, like whether the here we can see the movement, whether the product is stock in, stock out, adjustment, sales, that should be updated in our product's quantity. Here we have to select one product. Here I'm choosing this power bank. Here we can see the quantity 19. I will add one thing, add one stock. Here received received product from vendor. Here I will add it, quantity should be 1. Previously it is 19. Now we will check after adding. Here we get a message, product recorded successfully. Here we can see here we can see product is increased by 10. These transactions will be stored here. See, power bank admin increased by 1, previous quantity, present quantity, and also the reason along with date. Here comes to my movement. My movement is nothing but the movement sorting only the logged in person, like whoever the logged in, his entire movements will be shown here. And also here we have a feature to sort, like sort in, stock out, these features. And also user management, as he is a admin, he have access to change role and update, delete functionalities of entire users. I'll show you one thing here. As is Aki K is name, now I'm going to update his name to Aki Kungari, his staff itself. Now I'll change his ID. Now do it update. Here it is updated, and here also we can see even delete function works. I don't want to show it because I have to show this demo stuff later. And also here we can add the user. And also here it is pending request. Previously we tried to register with this ID, so there we got a message like user must be accepted by admin. So here we got this, and I'll approve him as a staff. So when we go to user, here we saw him as a staff. Here we can also update his role from here itself, manager to admin to staff, whatever. Here we have this feature. And also here inventory locks. These inventory locks are happen irrespective of the user, like all our inventory locks will be displayed here. and we can also export these inventory logs. Here we will get date, the date on time, to manage these inventory log files in our local storage. And also analytics. Uh, Here is a admin, so he have to have access to view entire inventory system. See here these things. This is day by analytics, like whatever the transaction is, like whether the product is added, deleted, that will be stored here, and the total number of transaction will be displayed here. Here it shows the count by category, and also here the pending request, approved request. Previously we have to, once we approved G1, then it came back to 1, and the approved users count increased, and also the number of admin, number of manager, number of staff. These are the low quantity stock. I'll show you that later. And here we will see the inventory. So here we have checklist, like no, basically it is a no notification. Here we see low stock alert. Low stock alert is nothing but, see here, low stock alert is when the product is quantity is decreased to its threshold, like we'll give a certain amount, certain quantity. When the product is quantity is decreased with that threshold, then admin should get a pop-up message so that he can add that stock back before it gets into short. So this is the admin panel, and also these are the access that admin can have. Now we'll go to manager. Manager also having the same access, but with limited feature. Similarly, he have this access, and also products. Here we can see he cannot delete the product. Only admin can have access to delete the product, and also he can view the logs with respect to that product, and he can create barcodes, and also he can edit the product, which I showed you in admin panel. And also in the movement, even this is same as admin. My movements, here my movements is shown only 2, because the manager has done only 2 transactions previously. So this is the inventory logs, same as admin. Here we can see just now we made this transaction from admin, and also it got updated here automatically. This is the main important feature of this product. And also reports. See here some features are limited to manager, because he don't want to see the day by day tracking, only admin wants to see. That's why it did not display here. Here this is also same. And when it comes to staff has a very limited roles, because staff, he no need to access anything, because he is the one who performs the operations, not to meant to be analyze the data. That's why we have very limited access. And as he is a staff, he has done only two transactions. Here it is record data. The main purpose of this staff is to make transaction in the inventory, which is nothing but a inventory movement. I'll show you. Here we have this thing, smartwatches. There are already 5. I make this them, sorry, I don't want this. Here we have mouses. Someone got a order of 20. So order is a negative thing, so we have to enter in negative reason, sold. So I will make this transaction. Here inventory movement recorded successfully. When it goes to my movements are nothing but only the staff movements, that not only staff, only the Aquila movements. So here it got displayed only transaction with respect to Aquila. And here we can see previously it is 24, we decreased by 20, then the quantity updated to 4. Here we can see 4. Here you can see it got automatically low stock alert. When I go to admin panel, here we can see low stock quantity of 2 products. Previously we have this mouse thing, now we have this thing also. So this is the main feature for this video. And also here in products list, you can see the transaction of Aquila just now made. Aquila K just now sold 20 items from this. See, here it is updating automatically. These transactions are done using this API routes, which we declared in .NET Visual Studio. These are the API routes I have access to admin. These are the authentication, and these are the manager routes. These are the product routes. These are the staff routes. Here the role and the access is hierarchy. Like staff have some access. Those access are used by manager as well as admin. And also when it comes to manager can use the staff access and his own access. So admin, when it comes to admin can view the access of manager as well as staff. So hope you got it. And also here this is a very strictly authenticated by using JWT. When it comes to React, here this React is implemented with Vite, and also latest feature for styling I use Tailwind CSS, and also which is a responsible website. Now I'll show you how it is responsible. See, it is very responsive with respect to its width. See here, it is very responsive, and the user can use this in mobile also. See here, this sidebar have changed when the width is changed. See here, it is as a feature like this. And also even transactions of products, even the dashboard also change with respect to this user also. See, this is the main advantages of using this responsive UI. This is the entire demo of inventory management system full stack project developed using .NET as a backend, and also React with Redux features using Tailwind CSS from frontend. Thank you.